Holy fudgesicle. There's one day left in the month, nay, the year, and I haven't done my monthly solo tradition for December yet. We gotta run, let's go. This place is so big, I don't even know where the Rosie's is. Look at the tree. There it is. Rosie. I see it. It's over there. This is what we're looking for. Hi. Could I get the mocha pudding? Yeah. I need 3 of them.
Yeah, sure.
Bag secured. I've got a tower of the mocha pudding. Oh. There's like some sort of caramelly, chocolatey sauce in there. We don't even need a comparison. This, better than anything else I've tried. I will go so far as to say this is better than any flavor from Magnolia's Bakery. That's the sauce. That crumble, so decadent but bitter. I think I might go back to get like a few more because I only got 3 yesterday, but I think I need like 7 of these for backup. No, I'm asking a lot of you, but if there's one thing you need to do on the last day of 2025, you need to go to Rosie's and grab yourself one of this.